Channel, April's Mobile Home Journey. We're looking at another one. Just walked in the front door. This is a double wide. We're gonna go in here and check out the bedroom. I think this is a bedroom. It's the first room to the right when walking in. So we have a big closet in here. A lot of stuff in there. It's kind of dark. Hope you can see in there. There's a big walk-in closet there. This actually might be a living room. Let's go start walking and see how big it is, and it's right off of the front door. Go in here, just past that first closet. Okay, this is a huge bathroom. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. You guys, the light on. Look at this. I'm gonna walk in here, look at all of that vanity. Oh my goodness. Right next to a huge linen closet. Yeah, this is pretty huge. I'm not sure if this is the guest bathroom or the master bedroom bathroom. You have a walk-in shower. Oh my gosh, with huge windows. And another window there. All right, I'm gonna put y'all in this shower because it's just super huge in here. You can live in that shower. Check it out. You can sit down there. This is nice. And then we have a linen, no, this isn't a linen closet. It's a closed off toilet. Okay? Again, really spacious in there. That is nice. Very high ceilings too. Wow, that's awesome. All right, we're gonna walk back out here, past the front door. Well, right in front of the front door, you got a nice little closet and little space you can sit your keys. Very nice. And then the living room. Wow. This is fully wall-to-wall carpeted with ceiling fans. All right, I'm gonna let you see how the living room looks from the dining area. This is huge, spacious, and beautiful, all wrapped up in one. Okay. Now behind me is the kitchen. Wait for it, wait for it. This is nice. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Then we have the island. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Try to get a really wide shot there. You know, we're gonna walk around this island. But first we got a nice little stove, oven type of, yes, a microwave. That's nice. There's the stove, this glass top electric stove with all of that storage space there. All right, that door is marked pantry. We're gonna get into there in a minute. Look at that storage space right there. Beautiful. Then we got your refrigerator with the ice maker, with more storage space up top. And I'm gonna show you the other side of this island. This is nice, your dishwasher, your sink, all of that. Very nice. Then right off of the kitchen, you have another room. This is the laundry room with an outside door. Okay. things to hang coats and stuff on. Very nice. Look at this. This is such a spacious laundry room. Nice sink. Has your HVAC situation right there. And we're going to come out of here. Okay, I told you I was going to show you the pantry in the kitchen. So let's see how that looks inside. That's huge. Very nice. Plenty of space to put your cereal, your canned goods, all that stuff. Yeah, I know I'm loving this kitchen. But we are going to walk past this huge living room to a bedroom. Okay. Nice size bedroom. Huge windows. Let's check out the closet, see what kind of space we're working with in there. Okay. Lots of space in the closet. Looks like they're storing some insulation in there. I thought it was carpeting, but looks like insulation. Okay. So we're going to call this bedroom number 2 because that first one with the bathroom, that was a master bathroom. So this is bedroom number 3. Wall-to-wall carpeting. Huge window. This closet is actually bigger than the other one. Look at that. Got your racks in there. The closet is actually bigger than the bathroom. Very nice. Okay, speaking of bathroom, we're going to check out the guest bathroom. This is nice. Nice little, it's simple. Nice little simple vanity. Got your toilet, your tub shower combo with the window up top. Very nice. Okay. Back into the living room. This is a very nice double wide. I'm going to try and look at more of them. Love the ceiling fan. I just love this living room. You could do so much with it. All right. So you guys, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.